I'm Leonard. I'm back, and today I'll be showing you my usually routine for baseball every day, because I practice every day in baseball, and I want to get better. So first, I hit righty for 75 times. Then I hit lefty for 25 times, because I'm not that good at lefty. But I'm practicing for lefty so I can be really good on lefty, so I can be a switch hitter. So you guys are going to see me practice, okay? But I want to show you guys some tips and tricks too. Some tips and tricks you want to do is when you're batting, you want to have a stance. Some people do this stance or bend their knees, then boom, or they're in a position like this, boom. Well, I usually stand up, and then I go back, and then forward. That means you're bringing the power back and then forward. So that's how you want to hit, because you're going to get a good hit. Watch. Try it at home if you have a baseball and a bat. Watch. Hear that sound? That's what you want to hear. And Josiah is going to demonstrate over here. Come on, Josie. Come here. I just love hitting baseball. It's fun. I like my games too. Here, Josie, come on. You want to hit?
Yeah.
Show them how to hit. Not with this bat. Use your middle bat. You guys will be back. Oh, never mind. He's going to get it. It's right there. Wait, get back. Let me show them a couple swings. And if you have, this is you want to hear those sounds. Like, listen to this sound. That's the sounds you want to hear. Sounds like this. And different baseball bats make different sounds, please. So if you don't hear the same sound that I have, it's fine. You're still hitting it good. But like I said, you want to stand like this, go back, then forward. That's how you drive the ball, you guys. So Josiah's going to do it. Now, let's show them. Show them, Josie. He's going to show you guys. Ooh, more. Let's see it. Ooh, you're missing it. You got to hit it. Dang. See it, you guys? He's not even, he just woke up and he's hitting. Good. Come on. Ooh, he almost hit me. He hits good. He's going to be in, we're going to get him in baseball league, but you can't swing with that on. Here, let's show them how you swing. Let's take this jacket off. So you guys get it? That's how you swing usually, and if you want to hit a baseball like that. Come here. Put that right here. Now, get this. Now swing. You guys, did you just see that? That would have been a pop fly to center field out the park. Ooh, oh, another base hit. But you guys, wait, Josie. You guys, that's how I do my practice. Then after that, I practice basketball. That's my daily routine of practicing. I practice every day so I can get better. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and tell me, what do you do? And if you're a baseball star or anything like that, or baseball, basketball, you name it. So see you guys in the next video. Bye. I will also be making new content every day. So stay tuned. And on J-Funk Vlogs. So stay tuned. And J-Funk Gaming. So stay tuned. So bye, and we out.